Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be taking you through how you take off a chair cover and change it. I've just painted my chairs, so I really don't want this old style cushion that is on there right now, so I really need to change it. So I'm going to show you how to reupholster your chair and what type of things you're going to need to do that. So my cushion cover just popped straight off. I've chose my fabric, which is grey spots, and that's what I'll be using. You're also going to need fabric scissors to cut your fabric with. And this is to remove the old staples out of the material. A staple gun that's going to make sure it gets right into the wood and hold the fabric down, and then staples just in case you run out. Once that's done, if you don't want to use the material again, just throw it away. So you want to place the cushion onto the fabric, and you want to give at least 3 inches each side, just to make sure that it will cover the cushion once you start stapling it down. You're going to grab the fabric with one hand, and in the middle of each 4 sides you're going to put the staple gun into the middle to keep it all secure. Once you've done that, you're going to work your way around to the edges. Just before you get to the corner, you want to leave roughly a few inches at the corners, just so that you can form pleats nearer to the end once you've done all the sides. You really want to pull the fabric in tight now, just so that you know that once you turn it around, it is going to be really firm onto the cushion and look really good. So at the corners, you're going to pull in tight the fabric into the middle of the cushion and staple it down just so that it's nice and secure and you don't want any creases into it at all. And then you're going to do your first pleat to one side, just so it makes fabric look really nice. So to one side, and then you're going to staple it down nicely. And then you're going to turn it over to the other side, just so you get a really nice line and not all over the place when you staple it down. And you're going to do the exact same and repeat this for all of the corners. After you've done that, get your fabric scissors and you want to cut all of the fabric off and trim around the edges of it. So once you've done that to the chair, all you're going to need to do is put the dust cover back on with the staple gun. You don't actually have to use a dust cover. I just think it looks a little bit neater and nicer for the chairs. You're going to staple that on just the same as you would with the fabric. And then after that, you're going to reattach it back to your chair. So here is my cover. I'm really impressed with it. I think it looks really cute and I love it, and I can't wait to stick it back onto the chair. So there you have it. Cute, new, spotty chair. Looks revamped, looks ready to go in the kitchen. I actually love it. I've got 4 more to go, and then I'm... I hope you found this video useful and thought of different ways, if you don't want your chairs, of how to revamp them so that you bring new life into your home and you don't have to go out and spend a fortune.
Subscribe, hit the bell, and we'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye!